Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our 7 Days English Speaking Challenge. I'm Arif.
And I'm Emma. We're so happy to see you again. Thank you for joining us today.
Yesterday, we met at a coffee shop. We ordered coffee, talked about our favorite food, hobbies, and weekend plans.
Yesterday, we met at a coffee shop. That's right. At the end of our conversation, I told Arif that I needed to buy some new clothes.
And I happily agreed to come with her. So, here we are.
Today's topic is shopping for clothes.
In today's lesson, you'll learn how to ask about prices, sizes, colors, fitting rooms, discounts, and payment in English.
These are expressions you'll use in real life whenever you go shopping.
So, are you ready?
Let's begin. Hi, Arif. Thanks for coming with me today.
You're welcome. I was excited because I haven't been shopping for a long time.
Really? Then today will be fun.
Wow, this shopping mall is huge. There are so many people here.
Yes, it's one of the biggest shopping malls in the city.
I can see clothing stores, shoe stores, restaurants, and even a bookstore.
Exactly. That's why I like coming here.
So, what are you planning to buy today?
I need a beautiful dress for my cousin's birthday party next week.
That sounds exciting. Do you already know what color you want?
I'm thinking about blue or light pink.
Both are beautiful colors. Let's see what we can find. Great. Let's go to the shoe section.
Perfect. I want a pair of white sneakers.
Welcome. How can I help you?
I'm looking for white sneakers, size 38.
Certainly. Here are our best-selling sneakers. These look really nice.
Yes, I like this pair. Can I try them on?
Of course. Please have a seat.
Wow, they're very comfortable.
They also match your new dress perfectly.
I think so too.
Would you like to buy them?
Yes, I'll take them.
Great. The total is $75.
I'll pay by card.
Thank you. Here's your receipt and your shopping bag.
Thank you very much.
Congratulations! You found a beautiful dress and a perfect pair of shoes.
Thank you for helping me today.
You're welcome. Shopping is always more enjoyable with a good friend.
I had a wonderful time today.
Me too. We also practiced a lot of English while shopping.
That's true. Speaking English in real-life situations makes learning easier.
Exactly. Practice every day and you'll become more confident.
By the way, don't forget, we have our English speaking class tomorrow morning.
Oh yes. I'm really excited to meet our teacher and learn new expressions.
Let's meet at the English school at 10 a.m.
Sounds great. I'll be there on time.
See you tomorrow, Arif.
See you tomorrow, Emma.
Goodbye, everyone. Thanks for joining us today.
We'll see you in day 4 of our 7 Days English Speaking Challenge.
Have a wonderful day and keep practicing your English.
Goodbye.
Bye.
If you like this video, please leave a comment and share it with your friends.